Hello everyone. Now we move to the next organelle, that is the plastids. There are many plastids present into the plants, many types of the plastids present into the plant, and one of them is the chloroplast. But before we are going to the discuss about the chloroplast, we discuss the different types of the plastids. So plastids are present into the all plant cells, and they are basically two types. One is the leucoplast and second one is the chromoplast. What is the meaning of leuco means white or colorless, where the what is the meaning of chromo means the color. So leucoplast means the plastids which do not have the color, so they are the colorless, where the chromoplast are the plastids which have the different color, so they are the colored. So where the leucoplasts present and where the chromoplasts are present, we discuss it. So leucoplasts are present into the plant part which do not export to the light. So where the sunlight are not export, or where the sunlight are not required, at that part of the plant has the leucoplast. So what is the function of leucoplast? The function of leucoplast is the storage of the food material, like the tuber of the potato. Potato itself is the tuber and it store the food, and it is the white in color, we already know. Root portion which is not export to the light, so at that position the leucoplast are present in that, and the function of the leucoplast is the storage of material. Where into the chloroplast it is a present, it has the colored plastids. So where they are present in plant part which are exposed to the light, where the sunlight are directly exposed on that, so obviously aerial part of the plant are the have the chromoplast, like the leaf, flower, fruits. We already know that the leaf has the green color, flowers have the different colors, fruit also possess the colors. So why these colors are they have? Because of the chromoplast, they have the different color of the chromoplast. So what is the function of the chromoplast? Chromoplast, the main function is the photosynthesis, as it is present into the leaf. So leaf has the chloroplast in the form of chromoplast. So we discuss it later. So it form the photosynthesis. In case of the flower, why the flower has the different color? To attract the pollinator. So the chromoplast, the function is the photosynthesis and attract the pollinator. So chromoplast has the colored, it present into the plant part which exposed to the light, like the leaf, flower and fruit. What is the function? Function is the photosynthesis and attraction of the pollinator. We further discuss about the leucoplast and chromoplast in details. Let's discuss about the leucoplast first. So there are three types of the leucoplast present. First one is the amyloplast. So what is the function of the amyloplast? Amylase, you already discussed or you already knows amylase. It's the name of the starch. Lase means the enzyme which degrades the starch. So amyloplast, we already discussed leucoplast has the function of the storage. So amyloplast the stores the carbohydrate like starch, glucose, glycogen. So these all are the carbohydrate form. So if the plant store the carbohydrate form, so that is known as the amyloplast. Like the potato, wheat, rice, these all have the amyloplast. The second part of the second types of the leucoplast is the alluroplast. Alluro means the protein. So alluroplast means the storage of the protein. So which part of the plant have the storage of protein? Like the maize, pulses, these all are have the storage of the protein. So they are known as the alluroplast. Next one is the elaioplast. Elaioplast sound like the oil, so you can remember easily. Elaioplast store the fat, like the groundnuts and all the oil seeds have the elaioplast as the leucoplast. So leucoplast are the three types: amyloplast, alluroplast and elaioplast. Amyloplast store the carbohydrate, alluroplast store the protein and elaioplast store the fat. Now we move to the chromoplast. Chromoplast are also three types. First one is the chloroplast. We already know chloroplast in lower classes. The chloroplasts are those which have the green color pigment, which known as the chlorophyll, and which help into the photosynthesis. So same, chloroplast have the pigment chlorophyll, which is green in color and which present into the leaf and green stem and help into the photosynthesis. Next one is the pheoplast. Pheoplast is the have the xanthophyll as the pigment. This pigment is the chlorophyll. This pigment is known as the xanthophyll, and xanthophyll has the browny color. So it is present into the brown algae. Same, they have the function of the photosynthesis. Next one is the rhodoplast. Rhodoplast has the phycoerythrin. Phycoerythrin has the red. Erythrin means the red. So phycoerythrin it has the red color and it is present into the red algae. So chloroplast, chromoplast are the three types: chloroplast, pheoplast and rhodoplast. Chloroplast, green pigment, chlorophyll; pheoplast, brown pigment, xanthophyll; and rhodoplast have the red pigment, phycoerythrin. We discuss the chloroplast in detail into the next class. Thank you.